I'm Derrick from DMVvices.com. I'm here at Davidoff Cigars, home of the Diamond Crown Lounge. Why is Nile Creek one of the best-selling bourbons in the country? Well, for one, it's $20. For two, it's 100 proof. I had one glass the other day, and man, was I feeling it. Whoo, buddy. So, let's give it a review. Aroma's good. Floral, roses. Caramel. Very, very small amount of oak. Almost vanilla. I got some vanilla in there. Do the Kentucky chew. It's good. Got it's smooth. It's not terribly hot. For value whiskey, this is delicious. I deem value whiskeys pretty much $30 and under. My rating is 4 knuckles. 4 knuckles. It's delicious. Go out and get it now. I'm Derrick from DMVvices.com, and if you have any questions, you can email me at dmvvices@gmail.com. Thank you.